Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Just in London today on the Hemi, and I've got a new exhaust. I don't know how well you guys can hear it. It's the Lextek OP-1, OP-1, whatever the hell you want to call it. It's pretty cool. I love the sound it makes. It pops and bangs like there's no tomorrow as well. But yeah, it's pretty easy to install. They did give me the wrong bolt sizes. They don't fit, so I just kind of used some I had lying around. You have to excuse me, I've got a cold at the moment because I went camping for the first time ever with my girlfriend, so I didn't record it. She came over from Portugal. We decided to go camping for one night, and I only have one sleeping bag, so yeah, it got pretty cold. There was 30 mile-an-hour winds. It was pouring down with rain all night. Yeah, it wasn't good. It was fun. We went for a little hike. It was only down by Leaf Hill. You guys probably see me ride around there. But yeah, the campsite was down there on a little farm. Bike keeps cutting out when it's cold. I don't know why. It does idle pretty low. If I throttle it a little bit and then come off and throttle again, it will just die. I do need to do my valve clearance as well. As you guys can see, the little spanner, little service spanner's blinking. So I need to do the valve clearances. Done the oil. I might have to do it again because of the whole spark plug situation. But other than that, bike's running well. Lost the bolt on my indicator. It's got a bit of a wonky eye now. But yeah, I love this exhaust, man. It's so nice. Actually sounds like a proper single cylinder now. I do like the stock, but you can't hear it as a rider. Everyone else says it's quite, not loud, but noticeable. But when you're on the bike, you can't really hear it too well. So I want it to sound a bit louder, especially for the off-road. Like, people don't hear me coming, pedestrians, until I get right behind them, and it's kind of awkward. I don't know what's going on today, but I seem to be getting caught at every single red light. On the way to uni, every red light hit me. I was late because of it. Light, red light, red light. Yeah guys, we finally got the tent and sleeping bag. A few more things I want to get. Like a mini stove. That way I can drink some coffee when I'm camping rather than drinking monsters constantly. Nothing like waking up and having a coffee. But yeah, we've got the setup ready, so finally do some camping trips. Tent's a bit big though. I got a 3-man tent because I knew I was going to go with my girlfriend. I keep saying girlfriend as well. It's fiance now, but yeah, got to get used to calling her fiance rather than girlfriend. I know it annoys her a little bit when I do it, but it's what it is. But yeah, I'm on my way home now. I'm going to put some electrical tape on the inside of the headlight because it keeps rattling. Figured out where the rattle's coming from. And it's quite annoying, to be honest. There's like a latch on the inside which holds the top part, and it comes loose over time. Got rear brake pads, there is none left. MOT's due in like a week, so I got to do the brake pads, oil change again because of the spark plug situation. Yeah, that's it. Those 3 things. Chain's on its way out as well, so it's going to be one of those months. I'm going to stick to 30 miles an hour because there is so much police out today. Yeah, I was at uni today and they're trying to teach us Oracle SQL. Like, no one can use it because they're not telling us how to install it properly. We've literally spent 2 weeks, like 1 day each week, trying to get it to work. They want us to use Azure Labs to like connect to the uni, whatever the hell you want to call it. There's no way this is 20 now. Yeah, they want us to connect to Azure Labs to use the Oracle SQL developer, whatever. The lab machine has like the worst CPU, like 4 gigs of RAM, and it's just slow as hell. Uni Wi-Fi doesn't work. I'm in 4th gear, by the way. Come on, Jimmy, fight for it. Yeah, the uni Wi-Fi doesn't work. People can't connect to their emails. 2 weeks. It's wild. Well, yeah, guys, nothing else interesting has happened. So that's all from me, folks. I will see you in the next video. Ride safe. Peace.